So, good morning. Today is the day after. It's Sunday and it's fucking early. It's before 7 because José, he said like we really have to go and watch the sunrise, and I agreed, but now he's the one who's fucking taking a shit for hours. So I went out. Hello! Yeah.
Well, I don't know, I didn't see it yesterday.
Oh,
but
sunrise.
The sunrise I think was fantastic.
I personally recommend the sunrise in Loreto.
I wouldn't agree more. I would say it's not too shabby.
Yeah, I actually like this. The light, no, the light.
Yeah, the light.
In the morning. And all the palm trees looks prettier. And the city in whole looks prettier.
The city,
the
tiniest town.
Town. I'm like, the city life is so good in Loreto. Have you ever experienced the city life in Loreto?
The city
so
life in the town.
Good. It's almost like LA. Like a town outside of LA. I'm like, yeah, fashion in close to Los Angeles, walking on the road.
Yeah, sure.
And this is the hotel we're staying at. And what I like here is that they have all the Christmas decorations.
Including me.
They don't have it in Todos Santos.
Not yet.
That sucks.
Cheers.
It's a huge cup of coffee.
I love that you and your huge cups of coffee. That was nice.
He's the very skeptical man to this place.
Me? No.
The sea view. Quite nice. So, this brown thing is mole.
Yes.
Can you explain to me what that is?
Well, mole it's basically a mix of a lot of ingredients. It's like chilies, tortillas, chocolate, spices, and then all mixed together and cooked.
It's better than it looks.
I love you have to say.
So we just had breakfast. And yeah, I'm not very impressed by this place. Los Mandiles. It was good. It's open in the morning. They are nice there. It was cozy with a nice sea view. But the food could have been better, according to me. And it was good price. It gets maybe around 5 out of 10. Hi.
Hey.
I have questions for you. Did you like the food?
I think it was okay. Very okay breakfast. Nothing more than that. Coffee was super bland. Not a lot of flavor. But
What did you like about the place?
not much. It was okay. Not too bad. But yeah, just decent. Nothing out of this world.
And the good thing was that it's open in the morning.
Yeah.
Give it a grade.
Out of
10. Okay. Do you know what it got from me?
what?
Guess.
7.
No. 5.
Nice. Lovely. Well. So far about Loreto.
About Loreto. I think it's very beautiful here, near the sea. But I like it because of the sea and the mountains.
Yeah, do you?
Yeah. I wouldn't go here just for the town.
Really?
I would go here for the sea and the mountains.
Fair enough, nice.
But the town is pretty, but it's nothing like too out of this world. Or what do you think?
I think it's a very cute town.
Yeah, it's cute. But I've seen towns that's even cutier.
Curious.
One night check in Loreto.
Nice.
What do you think about our visit in Loreto?
I think it was very pleasant. I quite enjoyed it. I don't know about.
Yeah, me too. It was a nice, even though I was very negative
Yeah, but that's why
to
you
the
have
town
me. That's why
before.
you have me here.
I must say the town got some beautiful houses.
Houses.
And beautiful cute streets. And I like the walkway along the sea. Yeah, the pier. And all the palm trees are very beautiful. So I do recommend a visit. It's a must if you go to Baja California Sur, right?
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
It is.
Now we're going like south of Loreto to go on a hike. What is the hike called?
Tabor.
Tabor. Yeah. On Google Maps it says it's closed, but I hope it's not. Otherwise we will have to do something else maybe. And actually I went out for a run this morning and it was only 20 minutes run, but it's still better than nothing. And I do recommend to run alone. Oh my god,
Alone?
This road is
the jump.
bumpy. I do recommend to run along the pier. Like after the sunrise.
It's to make it more authentic, like so you feel you're on a horse. It's a bumpy road, I don't know why it's made like this, you're like jumping up and down.
Yeah.
Changjin, Comida Express Chin.
To the hike and beyond. Because they are hunting in the canyon. So now we're going to check out another hike. So we are trying to find the other hike. Our second option.
Yes.
Just driving around here in the desert kind of thing, hoping for the best.
Yeah, maybe this one is what I was telling you, see? Yeah, hoping we don't get stuck anywhere.
Yeah, it can happen that you get stuck.
Okay,
he has already experienced it. So. I don't know if there's a hike here, but at least it's a beautiful place. Do you even know if it's a hike here?
Well, we kind of have to explore, no? So I'm getting ready for that.
And now you can see 360 degrees and you have an overlook over the, is that how we say?
Yeah, marina.
The marina south of Loreto. Quite worth going. Finished the hike or trail.
Yeah.
And I do recommend it. I do recommend it for anyone.
Yes.
It was a loop and it took around 1 hour and 15 minutes.
Yes. Classic views to the mountains, the sea, 360-degree views. Couldn't ask for more. Give it a rating, Linnéa.
I rate it that kind of walk, like a fast walk that you can do any day. I rate it the highest rate.
I agree 100%.
Okay.
Okay.
10.
10 out of 10.
Texas. Yeah, only 44 minutes left to Todos Santos and our final destination.
Dun dun dun.
We are very happy with our
Decision to go to.
decision, yeah, to go to Loreto. It was very beautiful, like way better than I thought. I had no idea how it would be like, but it was. Mwah! Say 3 words to describe this little getaway.
Fantastic, invigorating,
Oh wow.
freeing.
I don't even know those words, but yeah. Okay, I
You don't even know
say
fantastic.
it was nice. Wow,
Yeah,
he's
it was
creepy.
nice.
That's fucking creepy, dude.
Yeah, of course.
Oh wow. That was what is he called? That guy?
Police officer.
Uh-huh, police officer. He looked way creepier than a police officer.
Yeah,
I'm like, I don't have any drugs on me, okay?
Okay, I have drugs. Okay. Okay.
Okay, I would describe this trip as
One hour later.
Great description. Love it. Like on point.
beautiful. My words are more like easy. Beautiful.
2,000 years later.
Times 3.
What?
Times 3.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
One eternity later.
There you go, folks. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Just
Fun. Beautiful, fun.